Good morning, guys. Check out this beautiful vista. I'm glad we went here, man. I miss being in nature every day. Got tired of that apartment. Yeah, it is beautiful. There's a lot of people out for walks today. Makes sense. I'm gonna retreat back in a bit. I know the weather looks great, but it's still fucking cold. Also, I'm tired as all hell. I think it's about an hour later. I finally got up, making eggs now. Sunny side up. Let's go. It's nice to be out of the apartment, man. Dion's been a little cold some of these days, and other days it's just been the most practical to stay there. I really want to start moving on soon. We will. We're not gonna be here next month. That much I'm sure of. I already had a feeling about this, but Mike decided to stay around in Denmark. He's not gonna join us on the journey. He has personal shit to attend to. I'm not even gonna get into it. But yeah, he's not joining us. Dion already told me from day one, this guy is not gonna join us, you know that, right? And I'm like, I kinda know, but he is my childhood friend and he kinda needs this, and so I'm gonna give it a chance, you know? I'm gonna waste a bit of time, stick around here, try and see if I can't get him to come with us. Not this time around. He says he'll join us eventually, but knowing him, I kinda doubt it, honestly. But it's all good, you know? I'm sure we'll find other great people to travel with. That's kind of the point here. I want to build like a nomadic convoy full of people. Here we go, guys. Doing the dishes in the frying pan. Using this little nano bidet, a little spigot for the water bottle. And some soap. Just carefully cleaning it in here and then pouring it out there. Yeah. Alright, dishes all done. I'm gonna pack down my stuff now. That's where I did them. Check it out, guys. I'm almost packed down now. I just gotta pack the tent. Check out where we're sleeping. Right on the edge. This was a good spot. It was beautiful earlier, but we were just too tired. We stayed in the tents. At least I got some good shots. Here we go, guys, all packed down. I helped Dion pack his tent down. Let's go. Listening to City Pop in the morning. Let's go. Dion just went to the supermarket. We've been hanging out in the apartment basically since the last clip. I'm just whipping up a cheap gravy again. I just used the water with fat and all kinds of goodness this roast had been sitting in. And just added some salt and pepper to this. I gotta ask the nutmeg as well, but Kiki doesn't like it, so I'm gonna make a portion for her without it. That's why I'm tasting it first, to make it perfect, or at least as good as it can get without the nutmeg. Then I'll pour some to the side, and then I'll add nutmeg to this one. Just a chill day. From here.
Looks like a pork skin.
Oh yeah, it is. Normally we eat this kind of stuff with the parsley sauce that we had for the medisterpølse. That's pretty good, right?
Better be. Well, right now I could probably eat a dead carcass.
Well, it's only you, me, Mike, and Kiki, so you can just eat. We only need to have enough for the 4 of us. The daily fighting between Mike and Kiki.
About what?
Nothing at all. Check this out, guys. Ah, this is gonna be so good. Listen to this. It's incredibly crunchy. Let's go. And the gravy is spot on today. How you like it?
Tastes just like pork skins.
Yep.